I am standing on the shoulders of the ones who came before me. I am stronger for their courage. I am wiser for their words. I am lifted by the longing of a fair and brighter future. And I know that they are there to hold the ones who follow me. They lift me higher than I could ever fly, carrying my burden